Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing antenna TV as compared to streaming services and which is the best way to watch classic shows. Let's dive right in. Now, keep in mind, both of these are great services and it truly depends on what features suit you better. Now, for example, antenna TV, live antenna TV is great because you have a wide variety of channels. You can watch sports and news in real time, and best of all, you do not need any Wi-Fi. All you need is a stable antenna connection, which all of these are great factors. But when you compare it to streaming services, which gives you the ability to watch, maneuver, and control whatever you're watching. It gives you a wide list of choices, including classics. It has a wider range for classic TV shows going back till the 90s. In terms of those, streaming services is slightly better, especially when you factor in streaming services are cost effective, they are slightly cheaper. Again, you have the ability to maneuver whatever you're watching however you wish. You can pause it, rewind it, you can fast forward it. You have complete control. Whereas when comparing it to live antenna TV, you do not have that flexibility. So, when we're talking about in terms of the best way to watch classic shows, I would have to say a streaming service is far superior than live antenna TV. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.